A right process might can increase your business growth. Find out a product and selling online with a strategically way, we call it as a sale funnel. Yes, a right sale funnel, a designing of the right sale funnel can increase your business growth. So in this video I'm going to share with you my all strategy, my all tips and tricks that helps me to grow my all business through the sale funnel. So let's get started with this video and see what's the scene behind and about the understanding about the sale funnel, which will definitely help you out. So let's get started. Hi everyone, this is Balwinder. In this video I'm going to share with you my all strategy, जिस strategy ने मेरी help की थी to increase my business, and the strategy name is all about the understanding about the sale funnel. This is the most important step if you are running business online, or even though if that doesn't online, but it should be in your process. It should be the process of selling something. Guys, as I mentioned here, we are providing the whole marketing stuff, marketing trainings to students or business owners, but I'm going to share with you my all strategy, my all funnel, which really helped me to grow my business, and that's really helpful, that's really helpful for you. So let's jump onto the screen and just understanding the behind the scene, behind the secret of the funnels. We're just going to understanding about, there are heaps of questions I received from my friends, from my other people. They always ask what's that sale funnel is. Basically this is the latest step that replaced website to the sale funnels, right? You can say that website replace sale funnel ban chuki hain. So this is the whole things we have. So if we are on the screen, we have that high ticket sale funnel, which I'm always using for my courses. Let's understanding about the concept, how it works. So guys, what is the sale funnel? Basically sale funnel hundi ki hai. What that is, sale funnel is a process to sell something online called funnel, or you can say that it's a sale funnel. दो तरह दी हमेशा sales funnel होंगी. The first sale funnel is belongs to the high ticket one. What does it mean? High ticket means, guys, अगर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ कोई भी product above $200 we consider as a high ticket. Means there is some different strategy. कुछ little bit different strategy, because अगर ਅਸੀਂ human psychology ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, no one would like to spend more than $200 in a one shot. Means without contact to you, without knowing about you, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ proper believe ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ business ਤੇ, no one would like to spend a $200 on your product. So the first thing is what? We have to make a communication, we have to make a belief pattern so that we can able to send our product. And how we can do that? This is the sale funnel. Guys, ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ traffic source ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, for example a Google ads, Facebook ads, or Facebook. I have all explained video about the traffic, secrets behind the traffic, and what type of traffic we have. To see video check kare, that will be really helpful for you. Let's say we have a traffic, traffic buy kita basically from the Google, Facebook and all. Then we send then traffic into the opt-in form. Now what does it opt-in form will do? हमेशा जदों, this is a part of human psychology as well, we always offer something free, and in the marketing we call it as a bait. ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ bait ਪਾਨੇ ਆ visitor no, and if they're looking for example, if they're looking for Facebook, we put as a Facebook cheat sheet, free Facebook cheat sheet. They're really helpful for you. So once they come on that page with the advertising, we asking for the email. We ultimately saying just put your email and exchange in between. I will be send you my free cheat sheet. So exchange उसदे बदले ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ email ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ, then that email autoresponder will directly send that free cheat which you committed to the visitor. So this is how you make your first step. right? But now ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ important ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ, once they enter the email, they will redirect to your sale page. Now what the sale page is doing, guys, there is a video as well in the sale page. Everything I mention you everything. मैं एक चीज नो define किया, how you can create the sale page and how you can put what kind of content you can put into a sale page. मैं एक चीज नो clear किया थे. But for some reason here, another videos ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, but some reason here, let's say we have a sale page ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੇ product ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੂਰੀ description ਪਈ ਹੈ. We mention about all product, right? So once the visitor come here, right, some visitor might not interested on one time because they are not ready to spend more than $200 on your product, but so far you've done good. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ email ਹੈ, right? Now that email help us to make a believe with that client, or make a believe with a visitor, right? So you will be sent some emails directly for a regular basis, or 2 दिन छट के after 3 days 4 days you will be send some emails to them, right? You will be create here belief pattern, and then you will be offered to redirect to the sale page again, and दोबारा उन्होंने sale page ते तुसी send कर रहे हो, right? This is the strategy which I'm always using, and most of the advertisers are also using for this. Then after sale page, they will definitely contact you guys. This is the important thing. अगर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ high ticket product, always provide your direct contact number. Contact number can be anything, contact way, and can be anything, messages, contact number, they can call you or email, right? Make sure that respond as soon as possible. So contacts to baad they can directly call you once they have some belief pattern with you, once they read your reviews and all this stuff, then they are interested to buy your product. Then send them into the checkout page, and then thank you page. Simple. And then offer your product. Agar tusi e-commerce product sell out kar rahe ho, means send them that all courier, but you will be get notified here. You do not need this online classes, right? But these things I make it because I mentioned you may always use karna strategy. So I offer online classes, in class classes, so they can contact me, or we can provide the online training. So this is the strategy behind the high ticket funnel. जिथे ਅਸੀਂ 2000 I consider myself as above $200 and a high ticket, ਜਿਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ to build a belief pattern with your visitor or clients. So guys, all over the thing, agar ਤੁਸੀਂ agar ਤੁਹਾਡੇ traffic source ਤੋਂ 100 people come on your opt-in page, and from about 100 out of 100 agar 50% ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ email ਦੇਤੀ ਹੈ, means you got the 50 emails, and then after that emails from 50, for example 15 or 10 people come onto your sale page, and after from them 10, 7 to 8 people contact you, and from 8 to 10 people, 2 to 3 people going to buy your product. It means that you are good to go. So according to the Facebook marketing, 2 to 3% conversion is the greatest thing. If you have more than then, it means you are good to go. If you do not have any conversion, means you need to work on your sale funnel, or you need to work on the strategically on the other parts. In this series, I'm going to share with you all my tips and tricks. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and find out the video that will be really helpful for you about the Facebook advertising. So this is how my high ticket funnel, but I'm going to show you with you my low ticket funnel as well. Guys, low ticket funnel means below $200, consider as a low ticket funnel. Traffic source would be the same thing here, same thing, but ithe sade kol ek choti ji cheez ki hai. Sale funnels which traffic source can be same or different. YouTube, anything you can say that traffic source. You might can offer opt-in page or cannot, it depends on you, but a right practice is always offer something free, so that they will say give your email, right? Give you their email. Right? So just always keep that opt-in form, but some they do not, but that's fine if they have below $200. Same, you capture their emails, then sale page where you will be describe about your whole page, the strategy, write the sale page hook, story, offer. I will be sharing with you another video. Keep subscribe this channel, and just subscribe this channel. You will be get notified when I will launch the video, or somewhere you will be around it. See here, where you will be write the sale page strategically. Then after the sale page, you do not need to go for any contact. You can give them, but that's fine. If you are not, just send them an email or just offer them an email. If they have any kind of question or facing some problem, they can directly email to you. And then order form, then thank you, or member area. Member area means if you're offering something online courses, then you should have a member area. Or if you're offering below $200, if you're offering in-class training or any consultation, if you're a business owner, if you're a digital marketing owner and you're providing them some consultation about the digital marketing, then you can offer some links here so that they can contact you, right? जो भी थानू contact करना चाहें. But always I offer member area because I have some courses that I offer for the online. So I'm always member area is great for me. So here is the low ticket funnel. So this is two kind of funnels we always using. Guys, do not be stuck this all things. That's very, keep it simple. There are heaps of advertisers out there, they're doing a lots of things, but just safe, keep it simple. We have more funnels. You can call it a webinar funnel. If you offer some webinars, you can make a webinar funnels. Or if you have some free trainings, you can offer some free, you can create some free training. So this is the software basically, Funalytics, which is at the moment not a free, but they have a free version, Funalytics, right? They have a free version, so you can make your account and just try the funnels. Will be really helpful. So I hope the video really helpful for you. If you have any kind of question, comment below. My team will definitely help you, assist you. Or if you're facing any kind of problem, if you're digital marketing, just comment below. More than happy to help you guys about this all sale funnel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, guys.